Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Everyone's Story. So yesterday Pokemon Company has released the episode 40 and episode 41 official title with their summaries. And today in this video I am going to show you and discuss those title and summary. But before that I like to thank you all for completing my 700 subscriber. And if you guys hasn't subscribed yet, so do subscribe the channel as we are close to complete our 1000 subscriber. Whatever, now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. So now episode 40 official title and summary. And as you can see, the summary of this episode is really huge compared to any other episode summary. But whatever the title, versus Thunder Legendary Raid Battle. And now the summary. It's a nice day. The sky is blue and filled with white clouds. But as Satoshi and the others are enjoying some snow cones at the Sakuragi laboratories, a huge thunderstorm suddenly draws close. And once they sense the presence of powerful biological energy, they realize it's possible the legendary Pokemon Thunder might actually be nearby. And as the areas surrounding the Sakuragi laboratories keep losing power, Go gets a sudden flash of insight and the duo succeeds in encountering Thunder at the location he thought of. They immediately challenge it to a battle, but Thunder proves to be way too much for them. However, they decide to have a raid battle against it, working together with some helpers they truly didn't expect to be there. A thunderstorm draws close to Satoshi and the others as they are enjoying some snow cones. They establish it's possible the legendary Pokemon Thunder might be nearby. Satoshi and Go encounter Thunder at the location they went to after Go got a sudden flash of insight and immediately challenge it to a battle, but... So first up all, we are going to see a legendary raid battle in this episode. And the legendary Pokemon who is going to appear in this episode is none other than the Thunderbird Pokemon Zapdos. And now from the line that say, they immediately challenge it to a battle, but Thunder proves to be way too much for them. So now it seems to me that the frames that we saw in the new special preview trailer. It's now understandable that first Ash and Go will battle against Zapdos, but they can't able to handle him. And then they get the assistance of an unexpected helpers. And the unexpected helpers is Team Rocket, who will help Ash and Go to battle against Zapdos. Although in the English subbed version of the new special preview trailer, we saw Ash say in this frame that, "Your battle isn't over yet. Is it, Go?" And now due to this line some Pokemon fans have queried that will Go could catch Zapdos. So then my answer is I don't think anyone will catch Zapdos. But I think something special is going to happen in this legendary raid battle. And also we are going to see Koharu in this episode. Whatever, let me now discuss about episode 41 title. Operation Dub Pikachu, half Numacraw. So first up all, Numacraw is the Japanese name of Marshtomp. And now the summary. Musashi and Kojiro, who have thus far been relying on Meowth's interpretations to understand what Satoshi and Pikachu talk about, decide to train themselves so they can understand it on their own. This airing will also include half Numacraw. So this episode is going to be a 2-in-1 episode, as both Pikachu and Marshtomp is going to be focused in one episode. And now Musashi and Kojiro is the Japanese name of Jesse and James. And from the summary it seems to me that Ash and Pikachu is going to discuss about something. And Team Rocket Meowth will interpret it to Jesse and James what Pikachu is discussing to Ash. And also Jesse and James try to understand and learn the language of Pikachu from Meowth. And that's why this episode title is named Operation Dub Pikachu. And from the last line of this summary it seems to me that Marshtomp will also airing in this dub operation. Whatever, this is the end of this video. If you guys like Pokemon and want to update it about its journey, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.